Hey, it's Elgin with the Elgin Plot Walker team, and just real quick, putting in a late night, wanted to get the word out and talk to you a little bit about interest rates. So needless to say, today, for the first time in approximately, close to about 10 years, I guess, interest rates have risen. At least the federal rates have risen. So there's a couple of things to understand. Number one is when the Fed either decreases or increases the rate, does not necessarily mean that the 30-year home market interest rate will automatically increase. But what's more important is that with the rates being increased by the Fed, eventually, in my opinion, you're going to begin to feel this in the housing market and other credit sectors. Why? Because as anything else goes, when there is an interest rate or a hike in monies to the big institutions, that gets passed on to the consumer. It's just the way that it is. Now, what does that really mean for us, though? Well, it means a couple of things. One is people will always still need to buy and sell real estate. So there's going to be movement in the market. But for you fence sitters, and what I mean by fence sitters, meaning that, you know what, you've gotten very comfortable. We've gotten very comfortable with rates being what they are and figuring that, hey, they're going to always be like that. No sense of urgency, no reason to purchase a home, no reason to make the investments right now. Well, guess what? With the rates going up, this same property at 300, 400, 500,000 or whatever it's going to be, if that interest rate increases just 1%, 0.5%, think about what that does to your monthly payment over a 30-year loan. In addition to that, sellers, if you've been on the fence, and you've been waiting for it to bottom, trying to time the top of the market, all of that good stuff. Guess what? Interest rates rise, and then there is a difference in the amount of people, homeowners, buyers, consumers that can afford your home. So I would tell you that if you are and have been really considering some sort of a real estate move, now is the time to really take a hard look at it and start thinking about making some decisions. What's best for you and your family, and what's best not only short term, but long term. As always, remember, no matter what you're going through in life, it's just a temporary condition because things change. But one thing's for sure, it truly is. It's a great life. God bless. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my message.